Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Subaru Crosstrek trunk from the inside. First, locate the emergency release handle inside the trunk. It's usually a small, glow-in-the-dark lever designed for easy visibility in low light. Simply pull this handle firmly towards you to unlatch the trunk. This safety feature is crucial for emergencies, ensuring you can always exit the trunk if needed. Sometimes, you might need to access the cargo area from the passenger cabin. To do this, you'll want to fold down the rear seats. Look for the release levers, usually located on the top corners of the seat backs. Pull these levers, then push the seats forward. This creates a large opening, allowing you to reach items in the trunk or even climb through if necessary. It's helpful to understand how the trunk latch works. The latch is a mechanical component that secures the trunk lid to the vehicle body. When you pull the emergency release, you're directly manipulating this mechanism, bypassing any electronic locking systems. This ensures that even if your vehicle loses power or the electronic lock malfunctions, you can still open the trunk manually from the inside. Always remember, the trunk is not a passenger area and should never be used for transport. The emergency release is a critical safety feature, so it's wise to know its location and how to use it. For the most accurate and detailed information specific to your Subaru Crosstrek model, always consult your owner's manual. Stay safe and informed about your vehicle's features.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.